everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can upload documents to verify TapTap Send account. So the first step that you have to do is to open the TapTap Send application. So the verification is usually needed to lift your sending limits and comply with financial regulations. So you just have to ensure that your documents are clear, current, and match the name on your account. The next step is to go to Profile and Verification Status. So just tap on the profile icon, usually bottom right, and then look for an option like Verification, Limits, or ID Upload. So the TapTap Send will prompt you if your current limits are too low for your transaction needs. Next is to choose identity document type. So you can either choose government ID or proof of address, which is optional, but commonly requested documents include passport, driver's license, or national ID card. So you just have to select the one that you will upload. Next is to upload document photos. So take clear photos of the front and back of your ID and ensure that the document is well lit and all four corners are visible. So the application may require a selfie or a live video verification or a liveness check to match your face to the ID. And lastly is to submit and wait for review. So just tap on submit or confirm, upload. And then the verification usually takes around 1 to 3 business days, so you will be notified when the review is complete. So if verification fails, you will need to re-upload documents, often a clear proof of address like a utility bill. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!